Beena Chopade, and welcome to How to Make Easy Detox Drink. We will be needing 3 seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, thyme seeds. And I have a bonus detox recipe as well. We will also need fenugreek seeds. And let me go over the Hindi names for it. They are dhania, soft seeds, ajwain, and methi seeds. These seeds can be found in any Asian store. Let's proceed with the recipe. So I'm going to add the coriander seeds to the glass of water here, the fennel seeds, and the thyme seeds, and then I'm going to leave this covered for overnight, 24 hours or so. To the bonus detox drink, to the seeds, fenugreek seeds here, I'm going to add water and leave it overnight as well. When we consume though the next day, we are going to strain the glass on the left with all the seeds in it and then drink that water, and you can just dump the seeds off. But with the fenugreek seeds, you just drink the water, as well as you not only drink the water, but you also chew on the fenugreek seeds. They are awesome. They bring awesome health benefits to us. Now let's discuss the benefits. Summer is coming, so the detox drink provides cooling effect. The seeds also are anti-inflammatory and have great gut health benefits. They are loaded with antioxidants as well. The recipe is so easy that even the kids can make it this summer for you. Thanks for watching this video.